Hi, everybody. My name is David Rayner, and I want to share with you $1 million blueprint, how you can create an enormous amount of money in the Univera company. So Univera has incredible assets. It's a conscious business and it's underexposed. So I'm going to give you briefly the assets, and then I'm going to talk to you about how we duplicate in this company. So first of all, one of the only business in the relationship marketing industry that has an owner that takes no money from the company. Now, Bill Lee and his family was the first South Korean billionaire family. They made their money in construction and insurance. They didn't do this business because of money. They did it because Bill Lee's father, Yun Ho Lee, was diagnosed with a liver issue back in 1974. And the only way he got more than a year to live was someone gave Yun Ho Lee, the father, aloe vera. Aloe vera was the savior, and he started eating the inner gel of that plant. He started growing that plant, and he lived 22 more years. And they decided that they needed to share plants with the world. It would be the Lee family legacy. That's when Univera was created. So what relationship marketing company in the world has an owner that created the company to make a difference in the world, not to make money? Bill Lee is worth billions of dollars. He doesn't need money, and he has not taken one dime from this company, but he has kept it going. It's been around for over 20 years in America, and you don't know about it. That's number one asset. Number two, you've got Univera owning 2 genomic laboratories. There's only half a hundred genomic laboratories in the world. Univera owns 2 of them, and all we do is do genomic research on medicinal plants. We have 50 full-time scientists, and through the years since 1999, when we developed the laboratories and we put 50 full-time scientists in them, we've created and generated over 177 patents. And you can see those patents, you can read what we do, what the products do. And so when you get a Univera product, the patented ingredients can only be sold by Univera. So that's another competitive advantage. Univera owns over 42% of the aloe vera in the world. Another competitive advantage. We control supply of all the quality aloe. And then we've created leading edge products that are game changers. No one else can have these products because they don't have the patents. Univera created Extra and Aloe, our lead products, with incredible compounds that help your body put that fire out, that give you mental clarity, that help you have your mood control. And they're all plant-based. We've discovered plants that act like a roto-rooter for the cardiovascular system, that are like WD-40 for the joints. These are incredible discoveries. And once again, people don't know about it yet. We own over 10,000 acres of land all around the world so that we can grow any plant we discover is valuable quickly, and we can control the supply. And they're beyond organic farms. And we bring plants from discovery to the farm to the family. Who else has that? And then another incredible competitive advantage. You got an owner in Bill Lee that has sat on the World Economic Forum for the United Nations to help end hunger in the world. And so he's created a connection between every Univera product sold and you, and helping the world. And how does that work? Every time you buy a product, Univera partners with Vitamin Angels and other organizations, right, to give the nutritional supplementations that these kids need to live. And it's proven that if you save these kids, 4 kids, every time you make an order, one of them without those nutritions could potentially die. So we're saving lives. Another competitive advantage. Another thing, we're the first company in relationship marketing to do free shipping. We're the Amazon of relationship marketing. And once again, you get a 90-day unconditional money-back guarantee on everything you order, no matter when you order, no matter what you order. Who's got that? And this company is underexposed. Who needs us? We got the baby boomers, Gen X, Gen Y, Gen Z, the millennials. Everyone needs us because everyone's looking for energy without caffeine. And that's Univera's lead product, Extra. It gives you energy without sugar and caffeine. Who has that? And we have it so that you don't have the afternoon crash. You don't drink coffee and make yourself stay up late at night because you can't sleep from being wired. Everything gets back to normal. Your body starts repairing itself when you sleep. So we deliver an incredible opportunity to create wealth. You see, wealth is created leveraging your time. Either you're going to leverage money in stocks and bonds. You got, all the money vehicles where you could leverage, or you're going to leverage, real estate potentially, or you're going to leverage people equity. People equity means that when you work as a group, and that whole group may accumulate 50 hours of effort. You might have put in 5, everybody might have put in 5, and together we got 50 hours as a group. We make money on 50 hours, not 5. That's called people equity. That's the industry that Univera is in. And the Lee family chose relationship marketing because that's the only way to create a conversation. The reason Yunho Lee lived 22 years is because one of his dear friends told him, take aloe. So we create a conversation around vitality and health. And when we do that, and we share it with 4 people in the Univera business model, you basically get what's called a foreign free. What's a foreign free? You get free products and you return your investment. If you do that, and then if you have other people do that and you duplicate to the second level where you get those 4 people to get their 4 people, you're now making a lot of money in a residual business, meaning they've all got their foreign free. Everyone's going to keep taking products. Why? Because they're free. I was in Univera 8 years before the foreign free came along. And ever since then, I've gotten my Univera products for free. It's incredible. So what am I going to do? I'm going to keep taking them. And that's what happens when you use this business model to build your team. So you can go slow and do it with our basic entry pack. And you can make a lot of money. You can go up the scale from, $300 a month to $75,000 a month. You decide how much and how fast you want to go. If you want to get after this as a straight business, then you want to come in with the premier starter pack. And that means you get samples, because we are a gifting model. You can even come in with our new gifting pack, which is a pack of products designed for you to share. When you sit down with prospects and interested people, you give them a sample, you get them a chance to sense it, taste it, and then they can get started knowing they have the money back guarantee. And then 90 days to check it out and see if this works for them. If you go down the business pathway, you can make money even faster. And that just means that you're going to have the opportunity to make a lot of money very quickly. My wife and I wanted to go down that route, and we were able to get to the diamond level, but that's because we went after this and looked at it as a business. So imagine changing the world. Imagine changing your family tree. Imagine giving someone you love the health they need, or the ability to have freedom in their life. If that interests you, get with the person that shared this video with you and get educated about what we're about in Univera, and join us and become part of this incredible community where we're about helping each person learn how to be their best self, to take care of themselves. We're an incredible community, and we help everybody find their own personal fulfillment. And when you find it and you get it, then that just makes you an incredible contributor to the world. So thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time.